today's episode, we are going to talk about breast cancer. For your information, breast cancer is one of the most common cancer among women in Malaysia. 1 in 30 will be diagnosed in their lifetime. So today we are going to send one of our representatives to interview one of the breast cancer survivor, Miss Nadira, to know more about her journey on how she survived the disease.
Assalamualaikum. Salam. Please come in. So how are you feeling today? Alhamdulillah, I'm feeling better and I can do my daily works. I'm really like physical again and I'm happy with my family now. Alhamdulillah. We've heard that you survived breast cancer, so it's interesting to know what helped you going through this journey. It was 5 years ago when I just got back from work. I coughed blood and later my husband realized my extreme painful and it got him worried. So we went to clinicals because it's near to my house and luckily I got recommended by a doctor. The doctor recommended me to use 3D mammogram instead of 2D mammogram as it captures cancer better. So how does this 3D mammogram help you? Alhamdulillah, with 3D mammogram machine I got to know that I'm diagnosed with cancer second stage. After that, I only had to go for several treatments which has removed the cancer completely. I'm thankful that I'm able to take action early. Thank you for your cooperation to do this interview with us and I'm glad that you are getting better. And I hope you are having a good day. Miss Nadira.
Her last checkup was to confirm there is no more abnormality and she is safe. She started feeling her energetic self again. However, the doctor advised her to rest for a while to get her health stable to continue with her daily routine.
Dr. Muhammad Fadli bin Hamid, currently a general practitioner in UKM. We will interview him via phone call and he will explain more about the 3D mammogram.
What do you know about 3D mammogram? And can you please tell me the objective of this technology?
Definition of a 3D mammogram is a X-ray film which is taken continuously around 300 slices along the breast tissue. It is a small slices of film at different angle. And the objective of the 3D mammogram is to detect as accurate as possible the abnormality inside the breast tissue, such as any growth, any tumors, which is the film issue as a crystal clear film.
Can you please explain how it works?
The specification of the 3D mammogram actually is use the traditional X-ray film, but the photo will be taken at a different angle. The special design machines at the hundreds of slices, and you can see around 300 images compared to the 2D mammogram, which only can take photo at 4 slices of film.
What are the benefits of 3D mammogram?
Anti-speciality compared to other cancer treatment machines. Actually, 3D mammogram machine is not the cancer treatment machines. It is the machines to trace any abnormality inside the breast tissue as a part of preventive, or can detect the early symptom of any abnormality, tumors, or any growth inside the breast. So the benefit is that it is more accurate, it's more clear, and then more sensitive to detect the abnormality inside the breast.
What is the challenges and benefits of 3D mammogram?
The challenges is number one, of course, is the cost of the machines. So not many medical center can afford to buy the machines. And then number two, in terms of expertise, some expertise, maybe we have to train the people. We need more radiologists to do the 3D mammogram. And then number three, compliance of the patients. Okay, better to although compared to the 2D machines, maybe the 2D machines cost is cheaper compared to the 3D mammogram machines. So the cost effective should be the reasons why people don't go for the 3D, although it was more advantage. So I think the challenges is number one, the cost of the machines, number two, the expert people to operate the machines, and maybe number three, the cost for the patient to pay for the 3D machines. And then compliancy, what we say, the response from the patients, okay, how it's cooperate, the designs terms when they have to go for the checking. Okay, that's also another challenge.
How much the cost of treatment using 3D mammogram?
Depend on the center lah. Sometimes it's free, sometimes they give some discount. So in average, it's quite difficult to say, but definitely it's cost more than the 2D. So it depends. So the price, there's no specific price because a lot of center is give a different price. Depend on the country also.
Thank you for watching. My name is Nazlina and till we meet again on the next episode.